Today in literacy, we're going to continue the verbs activities from yesterday. So on this first page here, you're asked to find the being verb in each sentence. So remember, being verbs are verbs that tell what something is. From yesterday, some examples of being verbs were am, are, is, was, were, and will be. So you're going to write those being verbs on the line given there. Okay, so now number 2, think of an action verb. So remember, action verbs are doing words, okay, so to fill in the gaps in each sentence. So the sheep was doing what to the grass and doing what with the water. The dog was doing what after a ball on the beach. The people were doing what at the concert. So fill in an action verb in each of these blanks. On the next page, you're going to underline the verb in each of these sentences. So write the verb family that it belongs to. So for example, walks belongs to walk. Okay, so to what? Okay. All right, now this third one here is a little tricky. The verb that's in here is the being verb was. That's in the to be family. Okay, and the next ones should be a little simpler to spot. Okay, so now in number 2, I'd like you to write 3 sentences. Each sentence should use a verb from the verb family provided. So the verb family to give. That means you could use giving, gave, anything that's present or past tense of the word give, the verb give. Okay, anything in the to be family, so was or am, okay? To check, could be checked, checking, okay? Checks. You can use any tense, past, present, or future of the verb in the verb family to form your sentence. Okay? All right, give it a try. If it's a little bit too difficult, don't worry. Just try your best, okay?